Alright guys, I did a bunch of cleaning in here. I got the cart out of here, so I gotta do some cleaning. And try and get some of this stuff out of the garbage can before they come pick it up. Anyway, I haven't used this computer. I haven't used this printer in I don't know when, at least a couple months. So I put the original sheet back on it, so I gotta do for bed level. It's really kind of these in-between ones. And you gotta be careful, these things will burn these sheets too. I shouldn't have to adjust the Z on it, but I can't remember. But yeah, these kind of sheets, they're flexible and they work, but you burn them. So we want to definitely keep that thing moving. Okay. Let's see. I want to move the axis. Home all. So I don't know what's on it. I'm just going to try and print. I don't even think it's the right card. We'll just see if it works. I think it actually burnt a thing on there, which I'm not real happy about. Might have already been like that. They'll just like sit there parked right in the middle. Like if you're adjusting it to do the bed leveling with it heated, you're going to run into problems. And if you don't do it heated, then your bed level and all that ain't going to be right. So let's see. So it's just rechecking everything. It's actually a really good printer. I don't know if they still sell them anymore. I paid $189 plus whatever tax it was on it on Amazon last year, and I used it a lot until I bought the Elegoo Neptune 4 and the Solval. It was actually probably one of the better printers for the money, because had I bought this before I bought like something like some of the other ones, that this would have been, just way easier, I think. It doesn't have a lot of support for it. Sunlu kind of doesn't really have an easy to follow website, but the information is on there. I did have one problem with this fan making noise, and I took it out and oiled it. It has the old style plug, which I much prefer over the other ones. I don't know what this one even has, if anything at all. Everything's all on the touchscreen. So putting clipper on this would probably make this thing fly. It's not a fast printer, but I don't think it's as slow as like those ones. The Kunovo Pyramid. But anyway, yeah, we're just doing some cleaning this morning and trying to see if we can get some prints going. Finally get some access to stuff, and I need to get the other printers going. Installed some lighting up here. Hold on. Okay. So just an LED light strip. It's actually been here the whole time. I just finally took the time to put a cord on it because it's USB powered. So this is another thing it does too. It's gonna sit here parked in the corner and potentially could be an issue. I mean, because if it sits there and it's hot, it's going to burn that print bed surface. So it looks like it actually calibrated itself. I don't know what this is. It said it was a test print. And it looks like it might be a little too high on the Z. I think it's just a benchy. Yeah, it's got to be a benchy. It was even harder to see what was going on with the other cover. None of them are real great at being able to see what the hell's going on. The other one was, I guess it was probably not any better or worse. I still have the other cover somewhere. Some guy actually stopped by on one of the videos and said, "Hey, glad you liked my design." So the guy that designed this, I did a video when I printed it. But yeah, it's really hard to tell what the hell's going on because you can't see the first layer at all. But I think the other one might have been even worse. I can't remember how this could even be better because it looks bad to me. So using a slicer setting on this, I found usually I'll just slice it as a CR10 Creality, and it usually will work. This might actually be sliced really fast because I think it was for one with clipper on it. You can see kind of this thing's moving quick. And as far as I can tell, it's not turning out. And I can't get a good look at it. Actually, I guess it might actually turn out. I can't even get under it. There we go. Yeah, it's just a benchy. Bottom of the benchy so far. It was sliced for the Ender 3 V2 Neo. Which prints about as fast as this does too. So anyway, that's what we're up to this morning. A little printing going. I gotta get this one going. I had to reload the profile because for some reason this thing's been out for over a year. Cura still refuses to give it an official firmware of its own or a profile. So you have to go on that GearGo guy's website and download the JSON files, and then you put them in a folder, and then you open Cura, and it'll be in there. I haven't had any luck with Orca or Prusa Slicer. There's initial impressions were like, okay, I don't have time to learn this one, so I just went back to what I was doing. But I'm sure that there's advantages, but I stick to Cura because they seem to support more things. Anyway, I'm going to get this one going. I need to fix this ICOM 751 or do something with it. And that one there, I need to find a lid for it. I need a parts radio. If you know anybody, it's got a Tempo 2020. I need a parts radio. I need the knobs. These three here are off of some kind of, look like somebody's barbecue grill. Since they go to 10, they're probably off of a guitar amplifier. Maybe 70s cheap one. They're missing even that part. So I need the band switch, the plate, the load, and the top cover. And I need the trim bezel. So this thing was left to die at a ham fest, but it works now. Maybe we'll put it on later. You guys let me know, should I put the Tempo 2020 on the air? Do you want to see it on the air? You know, you can always leave a request. You know, I've got lots of radios. These aren't the ones I have. You know, I've got lots of other ones. You can ask me if I have a certain radio. And if I do, you know, maybe I'll put it on. Thanks for watching, guys.